how do you think the driver should fight a false report that a passenger leaves?
Documentation is always key. If you don't have a dash camera, you're going to want to try to get ahead of any issue. If you think that there's going to be a problem, say a passenger makes a threat against you, says, I'm going to report you because you didn't take the route I wanted to go, or whatever the complaint is, you can go ahead and reach out to Uber or Lyft ahead of time and say, there was a problem with this passenger. Make sure that your version of the events is documented first. The issue with not having a dash camera is it becomes your word versus the passengers. So while you can be proactive and you can try to take measures to protect yourself, if the company is forced to side with the passenger or the driver, we've seen time and time again that they're going to take the passenger's word. It's not fair, but it's ultimately just the way that it is.